Hi everyone, it's Shaspira and I'm back with a new video. Allergies. Excuse me in advance if, I'm constantly sniffing throughout this video, and if, I need to take a break and die for a second. Yeah, just, don't mind that, alright?
I said the flow is now in session, it's the madness you can see. Like we hooping out in March, trying to make it to the league. Sitting in class, trying to get these.
This video is another CurlKit unboxing video, which I know I said I was not going to do anymore, but I was kind of impressed with this month's kit, alright? CurlKit is a monthly subscription where you get a kit every month full of natural hair products, either full-sized or sample-sized. Either way, you get a whole bunch of products. Essentially, you're saving more money than if you were to buy all these products in the store. If you're interested in that, I will leave a link to the website down below. In this month's CurlKit, we have a Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Takeover. So every single product that was in this kit was all from Shea Moisture, and they're all infused with flaxseed oil. It comes with the detangling shampoo, a leave-in or rinse-out conditioner, curl stretching pudding, a styling jelly, and we have the reshaping shine butter. So this line is meant to help curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair. It's wash day and I have my hair detangled in twists. I'm actually about to try all of them out. Hopefully this goes well. I haven't used any Shea Moisture products since I started transitioning about 3 years ago. I'm really interested to see if my hair still takes to it. The reason why I stopped was because I felt like it wasn't doing anything for my hair anymore besides making it super thick, and it's also not in my budget as a college student. Like, come on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back when I'm done. And I'm back. I spent some time out of the shower just trying to get my life together. It's not like it's soaking wet like it was when I first got out, but it's still wet. I have nothing really to complain about besides the water like consistency for the shampoo. It's like milk, I guess. Sweet, not even sweet milk. If you ever dropped it while the top was open, you have about 5 seconds before everything pours out. Though it's very the consistency is very water-like, it lathered like a regular shampoo, and I feel like it did cleanse my hair very well, better than thick shampoos that I have. My scalp is feeling pretty fresh, if you ask me. Onto the leave-in or rinse-out conditioner. It has a pump. The pump is very smooth. I didn't have any problems getting the product out of the bottle. This consistency is more like a conditioner. Not like a conditioner that I've used, but it's a little bit thicker compared to the shampoo. It was like yogurt. That's what I felt like. So when I rubbed it in my hands, I just felt like I needed to constantly coat my hair with this conditioner. Like I probably had about 6 to 8 coats of conditioner. I was really pumping for a while just to feel like my hair was really taking in the product. It takes a while for the conditioner to actually penetrate your hair just because of how light it is, but once it gets in there, you really feel how moisturizing it is. Because I've been out the shower for a while and some spots of my hair are starting to dry up, I'll be going in with my spray bottle of just water and olive oil on top, and then the water at the bottom. So I would just shake it and go. I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible since I am doing a full line review. The only thing that I will not be reviewing is the jelly, because I don't usually use gel when styling my hair. If anything, like I would use it when putting my hair up in a puff, but I'm trying to keep my hair down for a little bit because it's been up in a puff for like a month, a month and a half. 2, 3. I'm just going to twist my hair with the curl stretch pudding. It wouldn't really be a review if I didn't show you the consistency, right? I feel like this might be some serious stuff here. Let's just get that out the way. Ooh, I just rubbed it between my fingers. Ooh, I feel like this is lotion. I kind of want to use it, but no. Okay. So that's the curl pudding. I probably still have product in my hair, but whatever. This is like, this looks like coconut oil when it's cold. I have a feeling like if I rub it between my hands, it's gonna melt. Yeah, yeah. So it just melted in my hands. I don't know if you can see the shine, but yeah, all the products smell exactly the same, so that's pretty cool. I probably shouldn't rub my hair. Ugh, whatever. So I'm gonna go twist my hair off camera, and I'll be right back when I'm done. Alright, so I'm back, and I have one twist left to redo. However, instead of doing twists, I decided to braid my hair. It took a while, and I never really liked the way that the ends looked when you do braids, so I started as a braid and I ended as a twist. Yeah, that's my life. The reason that I started doing braids instead of twists was the fact that I know in the back of my head that braids help stretch your hair out even more, and I'm kind of going for the most stretched out style without having to blow dry your hair. I'm just going to show you what I did all over my head with this last section here.
But you know what they say, man, seeds get degrees. It's impressive how he murders every session, but stick around and you might just get the lesson. At his best, yeah, man, that's a question. But he been ballin' ever since he was a freshman. The competition is not ready to witness the heat that I'm dishing. They wishing they could go this harder, maybe I'm kidding.
Alright, so I'm completely done with my head now, finally. I don't know how many braids I have in my head. I just know that it's a lot. Because I braided my hair in this direction, when I unravel them, I'm going to expect it to fall in this direction. So I'm going to work with what my hair is doing. I'll be leaving my hair wrapped up for at least a day or two. I don't really have a reason to take it out. So that's my life. Now that all of my braids are done, I'm taking the Reshaping Shine Butter. Like I said, it looks like coconut oil when you take it out when it's cold. So I'm just going to rub it super quickly, warm up my hands to help warm it up. Magic. Whoa. And I'm just going to rub it all over my hair.
Ready to get it, hop up on the track and it's finished. Now watch as he...
Now that I'm done braiding my hair, I'm just going to tie my scarf on my head and go to sleep.
MC skills all start to diminish. I'm wicked with it. With no wings, I'm still lifted with it. I smoke so much drill that my eyes be looking squinted. I've been itching to rip anybody said his opposition, but there is none.
It is done. I can't give my complete opinion of the line until I take them out, so I'm going to go ahead, go to sleep, catch some Z's, and I'll be back when it's time to take down. Usually with twists, if I twist them and they're like this length while wet, it would probably shrink up to like right here by morning. So I feel like this stuff actually works. As I mentioned before, their purpose was to help shrinkage prone hair, and I could definitely say it did that. Even without unraveling my hair, I can tell that there's some elongation going on with my hair. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unbraid my hair off camera. I'll come back before I do the fluffing and separation process. Alright, so I'm back. I just unraveled the braided twists, and this is what it's looking like so far. I don't even know if you could see that.
They disappearing like magicians. I'm a menace on a mission to kill all these fake musicians. Sickness in my system, ripping verse, it be my red condition. Construct these bars.
This is just to show you what it's looking like right now. I'm going to go ahead and separate a bit, and I'll be back when I'm done. I fluffed my hair a little bit just to give it some volume, but I didn't want to over fluff it. The longer I wear my hair out and down like this, the more I'll fluff. I'll be fluffing little by little as the days go on. Time for my final review. Overall, I'm going to say that I liked it. My hair is moisturized, and I don't know, like, I guess I don't know what I was expecting. I usually don't go into anything with expectations. That's how you get disappointed, because when I used the shampoo and conditioner, I realized my hair was stretched out longer than usual. It wasn't a lasting impression. I don't really have much to say. Like, the products were very moisturizing, yes, but I wanted to really see if it stretched out my hair dramatically, and the answer is no. So if that's what you're expecting from this don't get your hopes up, okay? I did notice like white little flakes in the front where I had the bigger braids, where I used more product, so the white flakes could have just been from me using too much. It's not overbearing. You can't see it from here, I'm pretty sure. I could barely see it in the mirror. It's just like maybe one over here and like one over there that I noticed. Would I recommend this to someone else? If you're willing to, you know, put that money in for all these products, then sure. I personally wouldn't buy it with my own money. If someone bought it for me, I'd be like, hey, thanks. But no, you can get another product that's more affordable that does the same thing, if not probably works better. Those are really my only thoughts, raw thoughts on the products. Thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And so I'll see you all next time. Bye.
There was a verse and they press rewind and watch them quote it. They sit there stuck, wondering if this kid really wrote it. I'm gone.